Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Today we start with our 11th week of online learning. Our today's lesson is about Unit 3. Why do people move to new places? This is our second comprehension, Carrie's Journal, from our student book, page 23. Let's look at our objectives first. Our objectives are identify new vocabulary and discuss its meanings. Identify the sequence of events. That is, what is the order of incidents in an entry of a journal? And lastly, but not the least, understand what is a journal. Now, what is a journal? A journal consists of a newspaper or a magazine that deals with a particular subject or professional activity. There is another meaning of that, a daily record of news and events of a personal nature. You can say a diary. Now, looking at our today's comprehension, the second version, the second meaning of the journal is more relevant because our comprehension Carrie's journal is a collection of her experiences and thoughts over a few months. Now, let us look at some of the difficult words that we may encounter in the comprehension. The first word is ice skating. Skating on ice as a sport or pastime. The next word is snowball. Now, everybody is familiar with that. A snowball is a ball of packed snow, especially one made for throwing at other people for fun. The next word is packing, the action or process of packing things when you are moving from one place to another. The next word is beach, a pebbly or sandy shore, especially by the sea. The last word is ocean. Now, a very large expanse of sea, you can say. Now, let us look at our comprehension passage. We will be listening to the reading. Please listen carefully and follow the pronunciation. Carrie's Journal, March 12. Today it's cold and snowy. This morning, Sandy and I went ice skating on the lake. It was fun. After lunch, we went outside to make a snowman. Then Billy came along. He threw a snowball at Sandy, so I threw a snowball at Billy. The three of us threw snowballs at each other. I love the snow. April 9. Today my dad told me that we are moving to Florida. He said it's hot and sunny in Florida. My mom is from Florida and she doesn't like the snow and ice. And grandma and grandpa live in Florida. May 28. Today I finished packing of toys, my books and my clothes. Tomorrow we are moving. I'm going to miss the snow. I can't throw snowballs in Florida. June 3. This morning I finished unpacking all my clothes and toys. Then mom said, "Let's go to the beach. We can go swimming and dad can go fishing." So we put on our bathing suits and went to the beach. The water was warm. We swam for a long time. I couldn't swim in the ocean in Vermont. Now I can swim in the ocean every day. I danced for joy on the warm sand. Now that we have completed our reading, let's discuss some of the important points from the text. Now, the first writing in the journal demands you what happens in the beginning. Now, you are being asked to tell what did Carrie do in the beginning. The first thing that happened, that is, she went for ice skating. And then later on, she made snowman. In this journal, Carrie writes about where she lives. There is one more important thing that we must remember, that is, if we are going to follow the events, we will be able to trace that first she lived in Vermont and later she moved to Florida. There is one more thing that we must notice. Why did her family move to Florida? It is because it is hot and sunny. Carrie's mom is from Florida and Carrie's grandparents also live there. There is another important detail. Carrie likes to ice skate and make snowmen. She also likes to throw snowballs. Later on, she's sad because she will miss the snow. She can't throw snowballs in Florida. But things turn out, she's happy because she can swim in the ocean every day. So these are some of the few details that we must notice while reading and discuss after completing our reading. Now let's look at our assignment for today. Our assignment is to reread the comprehension on our own, learn the word meanings by heart, and complete exercise A on page 23. I hope you were able to understand today's lesson. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.